What's up guys, Saf Ashrafi, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Sony X950H TV. So due to popular demand, a lot of you guys have been asking me in the comments of my recent videos to review this TV. So here we are, I've got the 65 inches version, and let's get straight into the video. So we get a couple of accessories with the TV. We've got this remote plated in metal, so feels quite premium. We've also got the power adapter right here. I'll show you the inputs in just a second. We've got some tools to help you mount it onto the wall. We've got this. We've also got some cable management tools right here. And we've also got the manual, setup guide, and the batteries for your remote. Now let me get this TV on the wall and then I'll show you a bit about the TV. Okay, so let me show you the input selection of the TV. Let's start off from the top. We've got two USB ports. One is USB 3.0, as you can see here. We've got your digital audio out or your optical for your home theater system. We've got a jack for your headphones. We've got an AV in. We've also got 4 HDMI ports. Sadly, none of them support HDMI 2.1, which is kind of a bummer, as Xbox Series X and PS5 do support 2.1, but it's fine. Also, HDMI 3 is eARC for better sound quality for your home theater system or whatnot. An LAN, a LAN port for your Wi-Fi, and we've got your standard ports for your satellite. So that's the input selection for this TV, which is quite solid. Just an update on the TV situation on the wall. To mount the TV on the wall, you actually have to take out 4 screws from the TV, as you can see here. You have to take them out to then insert the bracket on the TV. But before you do that, there's also, like I mentioned, the pieces that come with the TV, which are there to help insert the screws for your brackets. So as you guys can see, I have inserted both of the brackets onto the TV. Now I'm going to put it onto the wall. So as you guys can see, the design overall is really nice. Nice metal finish around the whole TV. And also, as you can see, Sony branding right there on the TV. So as you guys can probably tell, there's also this weird type of rainbow effect on the display. This is to do with Sony's anti-glare, anti-reflective technology they've added. I'll go into detail with that a bit later, but now let's go through the initial setup of the TV. So this is the first time I'm going to be switching it on. As you can see, the light has turned on, and welcome. So select where you are. I am in the United Kingdom, and it says quickly set up your TV with your Android phone. So as you guys can see, I've got my Android smartphone here ready to set up the TV. So I'm going to press continue, and the Google quick setup guide comes up. So it says on your Android phone, open the pre-install app Google, type or say okay Google, set up my device. So I'm just going to trigger Google, set up my device. So as you can see here, it says get started. To set up your other device, your phone's Bluetooth will be turned on if not already. So you're just going to press next. It's going to be searching for devices, so eventually this TV will pop up on the screen. So it automatically said connecting, and it shows the code here. And yes, the codes do match on the TV, so you're just going to press next. Then you're going to connect to your Wi-Fi, so it says connected there. Then we are going to select which Wi-Fi you want. You're going to press copy. You can use your Google account, so then it also asks for your identity, so quickly identify yourself. So once that's happened, press confirm, and you choose an account you want to sign in with the TV. So I'm just going to press this top one here, and then it will start copying your account to the TV. It does say connecting to my Wi-Fi, as you can see there. And yes, you will start getting verification emails on your email, but it's fine. So as you can see on the phone, it says continue setup on your Brave 4K UR3. So we're finished with our phone now. So we can put that away, and you have to agree to Google's terms and services. So press accept. Location, let Google use your device's location. I always press no to this. There's no need for them to know my location. Help improve Android. I'm also going to press no to this because they basically want our data to improve what they call their TV experience. So just press no to that, or yes if you want, depending on what you want. Google Assistant pops up, so it says get a better voice control for your TV. Press continue. A few things that you should know, that once again, services and your privacy. You can read that if you want, but I'm just going to press continue here for now. Get personal results. I'm just going to press no thanks. You guys can turn this on if you want. Get the most out of your Google Assistant. Stay up to date with emails. So if you want your email to get filled up with everything you can get out the most of your Google Assistant, you can press yes. I'm just going to go ahead and say no. And you can install these apps. So they are recommending to install these apps. I say you can download all of these. All of these apps look quite good, so I'm just going to press continue. Your Bravia 4K UR3 is powered by Android TV. So now it's going to walk through some of the features. Press next. Get apps from Google Play. Google Play does offer a lot of apps. They offer some shows, play games, and more. So Google Play, altogether Android TV is solid for TVs. Next, we have Talk to the Google Assistant. This remote does support Google Assistant. As you can see, there's a microphone right here pressing the button. So we have the Google Assistant here. Cast to your TV. With the Chromecast built in, you can quickly cast photos, videos, and music from your phone straight to your TV. That's also really handy and effortless. So now it's Sony's turn to set up your TV. As you can see, start your Bravia TV experience. Select your country, once again, United Kingdom, depending on where you are. Privacy policy, you can read through that if you want. I'm just going to skip to the end once again. You can agree to all if you want, but I'm just going to press proceed. Interactive application privacy note. Once again, it's your choice whether you want to agree or disagree. I normally disagree to these things. You have a parental lock. So this is if you do have children, some things are bad for your children. So let me quickly set up a parental lock. So as you can see here, there's an option called remote start on a smartphone or tablet. You can once again press on or off. I'm going to press off as we already have set this up with Google. Select all the ways you receive channels. I've already plugged in my TV top box already, so we're just going to press set up here. TV box is selected as your current live TV source. Press next. Control your TV box with your TV remote control. I'm just going to press cancel as that is quite long, but yeah, you have that option. Select the devices you would like to set up with your TV. You can just press next on here. Specify how your TV is positioned. So my TV is positioned on a wall mount. This actually helps with how the sound is delivered to you. So select how it is for you. You can also register your TV, once again getting emails on Sony products, promotions. You can press next. Once again, a privacy policy, you can read through that. I'm going to press proceed. Enter your email address to register your TV. I'm going to select use your Google account. And I'm going to choose the one which is registered on this TV. Get updates and special offers from Sony. I'm going to press yes to this as well. Once again, submit your email address to register your TV. I'm just going to press register, allow, and it will be submitting your email. Setup complete. So you just complete and you can get to what you are doing. So we are here. We are on the home screen. As you can see, we have Sony Select, we have Netflix, we have everything. So you can go ahead and sign into your accounts. let me see how this TV's display and sound is like. Okay, so on first impressions, the brightness and the contrast, the vibrancy of the colors, all in all is amazing on this TV. The black levels on this TV are also absolutely outstanding because of Sony's full array local dimming, which means whenever you are watching dark scenes on the TV, there will be still a lot of detail in the bright scenes because of the full array local dimming. TV also has Sony's flagship X1 Ultimate processor, which leaves everything you are watching, no matter what it is, your games, your Skybox, your Virgin Media, everything, it looks absolutely amazing. The reflection handling is also quite good on this TV. As you guys can see, there are lights behind me, and the TV is doing quite well in refracting that light. So altogether, reflection handling, if you are in a bright room, this TV will take care of that quite good. Now let's move on to the sound. This TV has a 30-watt speaker system, 5 on this side, and then 10 watts on the bottom. So let me give you a quick sound demo. So before I give you the sound test, I just wanted to point out that these settings are on Dolby Audio and nothing else in the expert settings for sounds has been touched. So first impressions on the sound of this TV overall, that the sound is much clearer. Sony have said that they have improved the sound over previous generations of this TV, and I can confirm that sound actually sounds really good. They definitely have improved the drivers this time around. If you are a proper gamer and you want a TV for gaming, I would recommend buying the Sony XH90, as it does support HDMI 2.1, which means the Xbox Series X and PS5 will be able to take advantage of that. Basically, it will be able to run games at 4K 120 frames per second, but this TV is also fine as I am playing a bit of Apex Legends here, quite fast-paced game, and overall motion is quite nice. I am on the gaming mode, and brightness, contrast, colors overall look really nice. But if you are a die-hard gaming fan and you want a TV a lot for gaming, then I would instead recommend the Sony XH90. But if you are going to game on this TV, it still looks quite good. So in conclusion, adding up the display, the sound, gaming aspect, altogether this TV is absolutely fantastic, as this is the flagship from Sony. Altogether, I can say that this TV is really good for the money. Display, colors, absolutely solid. Sound also I'm really happy with. Gaming, the only thing they could have improved on is adding HDMI 2.1. I do not get why they wouldn't put that in their flagship, as the PS5 is going to be coming out with HDMI 2.1 capabilities. But apart from that, everything about this TV is top notch. I'll put the link to buy this TV in the description. And yeah, this is Saf Ashraf. Like and subscribe. Peace.